short time ago, an American airplane dropped one bomb on Hiroshima. It is an atomic bomb. It is a harnessing of the basic power of the universe.
Hay hueco, ¿eh?
Around the earth, minutes from despair. There's no peace, the resolution. I make my way, pushing close to the ocean street. Gonna reap, gonna wreck, wreck.
You have promised me a round of traveling tea. My red and silent. Come down, shake up the party.
Rock your head, minutes from despair. Just another step, you never listen. You're going to wreck your life, looking up the street. To live and then here again. Not in the room, kissing the night, in the hope, another hope. Give me the eye, give me the wings, bound and scout, like a ghost, jumping out on my skin, in my skin. Here's to go. Can I stand? Can I stand? Can I understand? Anymore, anymore. I happen to be in the know. Can I say? Can I? Come to me. When your sun will sing, sun on the moon, look on the earth in the hope, another hope. One is arm, one is wing, call the goo, don't call the goo. Let me in, here's the ray and the sin. Shall be gone. Can I stand? Can I stand? Can I understand? Anymore, anymore. I'll be coming above in the know. Can I say? Can I? Sunday. Tolerance, taxation. Go to me. Dragon to soldier. Experimentation. Look for the Saturday. Wait, your son, releasing. Yes, good.
rápido, no me enrollo, prometido. Somos Gigante, hemos sacado hace medio año así un disco que se llama This is Fine y habla sobre movidas bastante turbias, de masacres y historias. Y esperamos que os mole. Muchas gracias por venir a todos, de verdad.
Es que...
Bueno,
Oye, qué bien, ¿eh? Aquí
esta
Bilbao.
siguiente... Perdona, Miquel, te he cortado.
No, tranquilo. No pasa nada.
No pasa nada. Esta canción se llama Soka Eguna y habla sobre algo que pasó en Guernica hace unos cuantos años.
Saboya, Badatos, Tondo, Dormiedo.
¡No te sales! ¡Saca tu tira! ¡No perdes asesinato! ¡El Yoruba! ¡Corriendo de tu padre en la sala! ¡Escena! ¡Estaba tú direnean! ¡Escena nazi! ¡Escena nazi! ¡Escena violento! ¡Allora quantirà! ¡Nunca lo dirá! ¡No! ¡Una arena spinto a Salen! ¡Ilias Joshua! Hori da, Soka Eguna. Eta orain Otxandio. Wednesday, 22 July 36 Santa Maria 61 Tom Bass, Paperak DA. It's a sound perfection, hit the ground, in the square, in the young. Smiles, lost the words of the sky, still swallowed in pain. Yes, cold, yes, goes, and growls. You got a saint, you got it bound. We got a super-roller. You got a saint, you got it bound. We don't pay for payment, you will. You got a saint, we got it over. You don't pay for payment, you will. You got it bound, we got it over. You don't pay for payment, you will. You got it time. We got memory. Yeah, we got memory. Come on. It's a part forever. Believe with the note, with the known. Smiles through time when sky still falling. Pain, yes, cold, yes, cold, and bows. No. You got a saint, you got it bound. We got a super-roller. You got a saint, you got it bound. You don't pay for payment, you will. You got a thing, we got it over. You don't pay for payment, you will. You got it bound, we got it over. You don't pay for payment, you will. You got a time. We got memory. We got memory.
He said that all those who were there should be killed, that no one should survive. Then they started killing, hacking with their machetes. They kept doing it, and I was hiding under dead people. They didn't kill me because of the blood covering me. They thought they had killed me.
Providence, destiny, Satan's star, Satan passed through. Promises, removed South Echoes. And now the scholar says there's no power that we got. All the power that we got. We gotta lose, that's all we know. Excitation melts my soul. There is a second sense and all the power that we got. All the power that we got. We gotta lose, and now we know. Hesitation melts my soul. Moving darkness, it is down. What do you know? What do you know? Just break down. What do you know?
Antxotekar. Eskerrik asko. Bueno, falta poquito. Esta versión resumida de Gigante. Podéis escuchar si queréis alguna otra canción que no tocaremos hoy en el disco que publicamos este año y tal. Y nada, esperamos que disfrutéis de lo que queda, del siguiente grupo y de todo el concurso. Y nada, nos vemos pronto.
Y un abrazo a nuestro batería improvisado, que es el puto amo, tío.
Sí. Un segundo. Vale, perfecto. ...3 de marzo.
You put your gun to a picture of Franco, kill him again. You put your gun to a picture of Franco. You point a gun to the mother, Franco, and kill him again. No black blood, no game, no black blood. You now do fucking. You point a gun to picture of Franco. You point a gun to the mother of Franco and kill him again.